Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the please upgrade error for Gemini 3.1 Pro in Antigravity. Start by checking your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi off or data off. Wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. Make sure you are connected to a stable and strong network. Next, you can enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it. This helps refresh your connection and can fix temporary network issues. After that, restart your computer so any background glitches or temporary bugs get cleared. Now open Settings on your PC. From the left side, click on System. Scroll down and open Troubleshoot. Then run the available troubleshooters to detect and fix any problems related to your system. Once done, go back and click on Windows Update. Here, click on Check for Updates and install all pending updates so your system is fully up to date. This step is important because outdated systems can cause compatibility issues. Next, open Google Chrome. From the top right corner, click on the three dots and go to Settings. Then Privacy and Security and click on Delete Browsing Data. Select options like browsing history, cookies, and cached files. Make sure the time range is set properly. And then click on Delete Data. This will remove the old cache that might be causing the error. After clearing everything, restart your browser and open Google Antigravity again. Sign in if needed and try accessing Gemini 3.1 Pro. The issue should now be resolved. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.